disconnected.
Well, good evening, everybody. Welcome to Woodzman Adventures. This evening, I'm going to be installing a skid plate from AXP Racing. You can check them out at axpracing.com. I'll put a link in the description. But this time, instead of opting to do an aluminum skid plate, I decided I want to try one of the plastic skid plates. This thing is extremely thick plastic. You can see the sides here where it protects the water pump and stuff, how it's welded on, plastic welded, so I think it's going to be extremely strong. This bracket here will just slide into the back where your stock one does, and then you just have the two bolts like stock. So I think this is going to be a real good skid plate, and one reason why I opted to try the plastic was because every time I put on an aluminum skid plate, even if I use some foam and stuff to try to stop it the best I can, it still has a engine noise. It radiates from that aluminum, that and the vibration, and it's annoying as can be. Well, hopefully this plastic doesn't do that, or if it does, not as bad. So we're going to put this on and find out. It comes with this. Now it comes with this decal on here, which I stuck this on already, but you don't have to stick this on if you want to just leave it black. I thought I'd just go ahead and stick it on because I thought it looks pretty cool. So it also comes with, of course, 2 Allen bolts and some spacers and your instructions. It's really not much to it to install it. We're going to need a 10mm socket to remove the old one, and we're going to need a 4mm Allen wrench to install the new skid plate. So let's go ahead and get started. Shouldn't be much to it. Okay, so first off, we're going to remove these 2 10mm bolts right here to remove the stock skid plate. The stock skid plate on these are absolutely just really flimsy as can be. So if you're riding highways all the time, you're probably fine. But riding off-road, and if you do bash any rocks or logs or anything, you really need a better skid plate. And even on gravel roads, I have seen a case where a rock flew off the front tire. The person didn't have no skid plate at all, but the rock flew off the front tire, flew up and cracked the engine case. Of course, leaked his oil out, and it was a nightmare to ever get it fixed right. Pull that off, pull it forward and take that off. So this thing should just slide right on here, just like the original in the back part here. If you get it lined up right, it will. Fits right in there, only actually a little more solid than the original. Now we'll take our bolts out of our packet here. Alright, now we want to take our Allen bolt, slide it into the step washer, just like that. Put it into this hole here. And then we'll raise it up here and get it started. We don't want to get it tight until we get the other one lined up first. And get the other side here, put on the step washer. That was probably the easiest skid plate install I've ever done in my life. That was extremely simple. Alright, there you can see it. That's extremely good looking skid plate. Nice coverage. Real nice coverage. It fits real good. It's not touching anything. It looks real good. We'll look at the other side over here. The other side here, you can see where it comes up. It's got this to protect your water pump. So that's real nice too. Very nice, easy, clean install. I hope this thing lasts. I believe it will. I think it's going to be extremely good and tough. But we're going to find out because we're going to put it through the test. And we'll let you know in a later review. Alright, that was the AXP racing skid plate for the Honda CRF250L. Like I said, this looks like an extremely well built plate. We're going to put it through the test and we're going to find out, and we'll do reviews off and on throughout the time that I have this bike, hopefully for a long time. But stay tuned for lots more things for the CRF250L, rides, reviews, mods, and different things that I'm going to do. But please give the thumbs up on this video. I'll have a link to AXPRacing.com, of course, in the description, where you can check these out and purchase one if you want. And please subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Thank you all for watching. Catch you all in the next video. Right on.